Mercedes-Benz and McLaren reunite to bring back the Mercedes SLR McLaren 2025, a supercar that revives an iconic name with futuristic technology. Starting at €1 million, this new SLR McLaren is designed to be one of the most exclusive and powerful cars in the world. The front of the Mercedes SLR McLaren 2025 is dominated by a large diamond-shaped grille with chrome accents, delivering a luxurious yet aggressive impression. Slim laser LED headlights enhance its futuristic aura, while large air vents on the hood optimize airflow for engine cooling. The side silhouette of the SLR McLaren 2025 retains the aerodynamic lines characteristic of its classic predecessor. Iconic gullwing doors make a dramatic return, providing striking entry access. 21-inch carbon fiber multi-spoke wheels add a sporty touch, while the carbon fiber body material ensures the car remains lightweight. At the rear, the SLR McLaren 2025 features a large diffuser with integrated twin exhaust pipes. Slim horizontal LED taillights create a clean and modern look. An adaptive rear wing enhances downforce at high speeds, ensuring maximum stability. The SLR McLaren 2025 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine paired with an electric motor, producing a combined output of 850 horsepower. This hybrid technology delivers instant acceleration while also improving fuel efficiency compared to traditional supercars. Mercedes and McLaren have developed a bespoke chassis with perfect weight distribution for the SLR McLaren 2025. The all-wheel drive (AWD) system provides maximum traction in all road conditions, while adaptive suspension ensures comfort and stability. Drivers can also choose from multiple driving modes tailored for track performance or road efficiency. The SLR McLaren 2025 features a carbon fiber monocoque body that is incredibly lightweight yet strong. Advanced aerodynamic elements, such as the active rear wing and diffuser, work seamlessly to enhance stability and speed. These innovations ensure optimal performance without sacrificing luxury. The Mercedes SLR McLaren 2025 will be produced in limited numbers, making it a highly sought-after collector's item. Each unit will come with extensive customization options, from exterior colors to detailed material finishes. Owners will also receive exclusive benefits, including a personalized driving experience program. The Mercedes SLR McLaren 2025 pays homage to its legendary predecessor while evolving into the future. With its striking design, cutting-edge technology, and incredible performance, the SLR McLaren 2025 is not just a supercar, it's a symbol of innovation and luxury.